Yongtang Aluminum Group, Shanghai office. This is our sample display cabinet. This is blown film fabric. Cooling plate or refrigeration plate. This is our workshop. Let's see it.